So let me ask a simple question. What is 2 plus 2? Let me ask another question. What is the capital of India? Yeah, right answer. The capital of India is New Delhi. Now let's ask something else. How many states are there in India? How many states are there in India? Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to build your first AI assistant using Python and OpenAI API. Even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry, I will guide you step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a working AI chatbot running on your computer. We will cover what AI APIs are, how to connect to OpenAI, and how to generate intelligent response with just a few lines of code. So let's get started. Before we start coding, here is what you need. First, install Python on your computer. Then download VS Code, which is a code editor we will use. You will also need OpenAI API key. Don't worry, I will show you exactly where to get it. Once everything is ready, we can start building. So let's register for OpenAI API key first. For OpenAI API key registration, search OpenAI API key on Google and open OpenAI platform link, this blue icon. You can create a new account or login if you already have one. I will log in with my Google account. Once you are logged in, you will see a create API key button in the top right corner. Click on it and give your API key a name so you can identify it later. I will give my API name is AI Assistant. Create secret key. Make sure to copy and save the key immediately because you won't be able to view it again after closing this window. After generating the API key, you will also need to add credits to your account. OpenAI does not provide free API credits for most users. The minimum amount you can add is $5, which may cost you around $6 after taxes, depending on your location. Once you will add the credit, it will be shown here in the top right corner. Credit balance is $5. Now you can use OpenAI APIs. So let's start coding. To start coding, let's create a folder first. Let it call AI Assistant. Now in AI Assistant, let's create virtual environment first. This command is to create virtual environment in Python. We need to install OpenAI library in this virtual environment. So first we need to activate this environment. So activate this, activate the virtual environment. Now we can install OpenAI library. Pip install OpenAI. Oh, install spelling mistake. Pip install OpenAI. So installation is complete. Now we need to open our code editor. We can simply open the code editor with code.command. It will open VS Code in the same directory. So to code, we can check developer docs in OpenAI platform. Let's open it. Click here at the last, and from here you can open developer docs. In the developer docs you will see text generation code. Here what it is doing, first of all it is importing OpenAI library which we already installed. Then it's creating an object, then it's sending a request to the user. So let's use this code to create AI assistant. So here we did the same thing. We import the library, we create an object with the help of API key. You need to enter the API key which we copy from the OpenAI platform. This line will take user's input, what user wants to enter. This code will send request on OpenAI platform, role as a user, and it will give user input to the OpenAI platform. At last we can print response, AI response, like this. So let's execute this code on terminal. Hi. So now it stopped up after one answer. We need a continuous chat with an AI assistant. For this we have to write a loop on this code. Now we will add a loop on this so that we can ask as many questions as we want without interrupting response. So it is an infinite loop which can ask as many questions as we want, and we can stop this loop at a condition where when users enter exit. So once user will enter exit, we will break the loop. So let's try it on terminal now. Okay, Python so let me ask a simple question. What is 2 plus 2? Let me ask another question. What is the capital of India? Yeah, right answer. The capital of India is New Delhi. Now let's ask something else. How many states are there in India? How many states are there in India? India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Right answer. So for exit we need to type enter exit, and it will exit from the loop. So now our code is final. Alright guys, we have successfully built our first AI assistant. In the next video I will show you how to do the same thing with open source tools. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I will happy to answer them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.